I know I'm gonna get it.
I need to go. Beast type deck.
I got bad news for you.
I'm missing 2 of the 4-drop reserves. Rock Restraints.
Oh,
I have that set fully played. I just didn't like see the point putting anything from SRs. Should be message what you need from that.
It's just 2 of those. It's I had the full playset and then someone picked them up.
Oh yeah,
to finish that deck. So, no, it was someone else.
He plays.
I had the full playset after everyone at Unbed had gotten the stuff out for those decks.
Alright, well. I'll do high. I'll go first.
Yeah, one guy on it. 3 guys are still.
It's like a little awkward, started like looking at like actual
I'll be finding some Mushoku.
Absolutely.
Got to.
Oh yeah. This is the dragon or some shit.
That's gonna be it back.
Reze.
Like tax return.
Shiny card.
Rudius.
I was like, now that I don't have to move, I can spend all this money.
Crashing.
I think the winner moon is in
Cerebral Bears. A1 for a Rouge. Well, we still don't know for sure if we're moving or not yet. We're still up in the air. But for the time being, that's why there's a part of me that's like, I really hope this set comes out faster, sooner than later. So I can't spend a bunch of money into it. We know it's gonna be next year, clearly, but
Yeah, just the question is when.
Because 20 toes.
Because I have a weird feeling
And I have 1, 2, 3,
March might be Eminence.
11, 12.
I could see June being an issue.
1. Cards in my hand.
So,
I look at games.
also not.
Oh, I played that so well. Oh my god.
You did good. Mr. Monk.
Oh, what a rebound. My heart was pounding. I was lying so much. I didn't feel bad.
not
This does.
Take 0 arrows. AP extend.
I'll do it one under a turn here, more cover.
Or speed rating.
Or oh yeah.
3K if not more.
Final.
What's the card I'm excited about?
Draw.
I was really excited for Lord of Extinction. Except for Lord of Extinction. This creature's power and toughness is equal to the number of cards in all graveyards.
Denji, so then we'll do the draw 2 and top 4.
I was kind of just waiting.
I started rewatching Tensei.
And then I was just about to fuck
Yep.
Shit,
Yeah.
Where are you at?
So like 13 or 14. Oh, I'm episode 3.
Way further.
Season 2?
He's going to the labyrinth.
Oh, you went all the way that far. Jeez.
I sat down to like 3 a.m. for 2 nights.
Oh, don't worry. Like the last couple of nights, we've been watching Bleach every night, and like we'll get 2 episodes in. My girlfriend's like, "All right, I'm tapping out," and I'm like,
You're like, we're gonna get nowhere.
I'm like, Thousand Year Blood Order, the new season's gonna be so rough for me because I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna be like, luckily it's gonna be episode at a time, so like, I'd be like, alright, we're fine. But like, if they dropped the whole season, I'd be like, I'm gonna go finish this. Sorry. Like,
You know, I'm like, I'm a few episodes. I think I'm like episode 4 of season 2 or something. So episode 4 or 5, maybe 6. I realize I don't like green deck.
Push the Rouge.
Use my large
Eris, effect, panicky, draw, and then I can play or raid 3 or less.
Oh, sorry. Well, how many points do you got?
Eris is played by an effect. I can play a Rudius Rouge or Eris, 3 or less energy from my hand that's healed rested, or raid Eris.
Yeah, you guys were chatting when I.
And then I will do 1 AP.
Doing some sleight of hand stuff, some bad manners stuff right there, some DM stuff.
You guys haven't read everything we've already put out. So.
I wanted to be a little further ahead though.
Rouger, there's Rouger and Rudius on the
Like
page.
you had that one card that I didn't read out.
3K. Not blocked to draw a card. If she loses a battle, she goes back to active against her.
But I'm really blind.
If you remember it, he didn't read it.
I have a couple of scratches in my glasses.
I wish I had this thing.
Yeah, no.
Also, she doesn't have sniper.
Not yet. I can get her snipe through the Rudius raid or the special.
Yeah, I'm saying because it's really
Back to active +2.
Oh, so it's like the Gun Gale special?
yeah, it really
3K, if not blocked, I draw. If she loses battle, goes back to active.
I don't even have it.
Closest, I'll draw.
Special.
This victory, I'm gonna go rip.
2K.
That's a dangerous.
And do what?
And crossbow, light crossbow.
Active.
Do they have those here?
One has 4 sides on it. Yep, there you go.
I know they had this 60.
Okay, so we'll go.
Yeah. Yeah. I want. You're 100.
We have +5 decks.
Denji top 3.
Which one would I be able to hit more at?
This.
Well, it depends on the range of the light cross.
Take one, go to trash one, we'll get rid of
Yeah, all of them are kind of
Denji. Since it's a Reze, -1K. Here.
I'll hit that one on the left side.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's gonna be the biggest problem.
Is her being a 3K?
It's a lot of easy removal for BP reducing decks versus.
Use my.
Oh, okay.
I use my one attack hack
So we'll go
for the second attack.
Sideline Denji, wake
I don't have
up.
it here anymore.
Unless you have to switch your feet, right?
Yuck.
Oh, wait, no.
I mean, the foundation ones, I'm pretty sure.
Can't remember. Oh, God. They have the reloading foundation. Yeah, that's
I won't do her sideline. Yeah, I'll just make
They reprint the art.
Eris another -3K, so she's at 1K.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I believe
That had 104 sleeves in it.
Too bad we didn't.
What? Really?
Most of the Dragon Shields have 104 now.
Goated.
Well, because I needed 2.
It's because with the new formulas have like it's split and so
I needed 2 to finish 3 deck.
We'll go 5K.
How far away I am.
Yeah.
Raid. She's gonna be at
5k impact 1 damage.
Can we ban all also, man?
We'll raid. On play, I'll give himself 1,000. So he's 5. We'll go with the 5 damage.
Smack him big right when you're not.
Oh, that would raid and
So
draw, and I cannot raid.
Just a little
Four, block, and it's 3.
Oh, I didn't realize she was a raid.
Yeah, so she's constantly plus 1k as long as there's a radius in it.
Oh, it's a constant. Okay.
They glow with the light and with light and a number of weapons that some punks provide unidentifiable meat.
Draw.
You like that?
Rulers, cat rulers,
Like the Black Panther and the.
K1, Eris, draw trash.
I think I'm gonna get the Mondo Black.
Eris.
I wouldn't mind picking up a set.
We will radius effect. I will move the top.
That's
Give
like
snipe to
the
this Eris.
diamond.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I think there's
I will pay 1 for radius is amazing to re-raid this radius from sideline. On play plus 1,000 to this Eris. Effect gives snipe to this Eris.
So she's a 4k.
4k snipe, 3k snipe. Snipe bomb.
Oh wait, no.
We'll go 3k snipe at
The nice lady.
The nice lady.
we'll go at bomb. Does not block the draw card, loses battle, active +2, 5k snipe at bomb. Does not block the draw card. We will go 4k on attack draw card.
We'll take.
And just put it on top of it.
I guess.
But
Yeah.
then you.
I'm finally
if
getting
you-
used to it.
I'm happy to see it.
Yeah, we'll do that.
I like watching
I'll
it
play
connect. It's just like fuck.
And then this block
So
that,
happy.
so we'll end of turn.
It is cool.
Move 1. We will remove 0 cost Eris.
There's several win counts in this deck.
Draw.
It's honestly our
Zero?
Actually, question on yeah, I think we waited too long.
Kill me? So you could have just.
We'll go with a Reze.
Not you outright, just
When
on
play
that
pip to 1 Reze Genji, 2 or less.
Start rolling twice. Because I was told whatever some shit, and you get all 4 of these, you win. I don't see the condition on here, that's the thing. Unlike any one of them.
Trash this to blow
Nothing feels good sideways.
No,
They're all just so nice. Rudius is a 4K, but all he really does right now is on attack either buff something or draw a card. I mean, it's good.
But then this is also.
I'm getting rid of that. It's the more annoying.
Like, that's the other side of this. She's, can't be easily blocked for free.
I don't know. I mean, she's really good with the special, but the radius makes 2 4Ks, essentially.
We'll just do both.
So you, oh, yeah. I mean, why were we pondering then?
Yeah, no.
That's impact, yeah. We'll go for
Welcome to Reader.
special. Good. Yeah.
That's why Gabe was pondering.
That-
It's like, there's only supposed to be 2 specials in this turn.
As soon as you get all 4 of these on
Okay. So it's not like a trigger where you get them all, but once you play that first card, it's over.
Yeah, essentially, once you have all 4
Seeing your Chainsaw Man deck fully ulted out is gonna be crazy.
Oh my god.
just on there, like, how they're doing
Like, they look nice already as Proxy.
I know.
Like,
Yeah, so it's an instant.
the foiling on there.
I need the shiny cardboard.
I'm playing Reze, we go in there, and
Because it will not end, it just keeps going.
It'll say cast, right? That you can click that button.
Start. Play.
The second thing that it'll tell you what kind of action you use. The bonus action will say bonus 1d8, after that you'll see how far you can cast it from.
actually main,
So all of those will be, the range is like, that's the range. Next to that, it'll tell you either.
no, I can't, because then I can't play for this one.
No, I was really limited to crazy problems. I don't have that card
He doesn't even know what he's doing with these cards that haven't been released yet.
How dare I not know what you're doing?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay.
Plus 1,000.
Who knew?
4K snipe.
Yep.
4K on a side.
Depends on your.
Let's see.
Yeah, good one. 4K.
But let me just go and look over
That is
it.
a unspoken rule we recommend.
You did this in a hurry?
Alright,
Want to make it.
draw.
Well, I have to ask you, hey, you want to make it here too?
Mm-hmm.
And then we can't do it.
I just know you also want resources. That's
Yeah, that's what kind of what the issue I'm running into right now. Just a little bit. But I think
what's
I'll be
wrong,
okay.
Gabe? You don't have 7 cards in hand at all times?
Trash.
You don't get to draw 2 cards for free from your removal spell? Like, what?
Boo-hoo. It's been around yet. One more.
You're better deck, Gabe.
5-2.
One more turn. Then we take a
Kill, cure, restand.
There were too many small boards that were making it harder for me to understand it.
Yeah, it basically just means any color.
That's good. That's scary.
What do you mean? Which one?
Yeah, top 3. Come on. Come on. Oh man.
You didn't see it.
I didn't see
The
it.
hands. Might live this turn?
5 feet of movement per level of shot. You've got 4 squares to work with. Instead of the 7. They took 3
Those classic opera players, I don't
Really, this turn I
know
will do that.
every once in a while it's like,
I feel like we take that. Get rid of this. Minus 1k
they would
to.
always have like the brown
I don't think it matters. We'll just do
You could have
Reze.
them from where they were.
their whole green
And
Where is it one packet?
Reze, trash. Denji, draw 2.
You saw one of the monstrosities.
And you go 4k.
You should do that. You got this.
I have to pull up that one because it's damage 2, right?
Damage 2 impact.
It's not really already a better start though.
When I have it, I can add 1
And
mana.
5k, impact 1 damage 2.
Pull up with a Brewer.
So that's the issue.
Yeah.
Is Hunter's Mark has a range.
I can target a man.
You can't cast it on a creature.
Man, if I was there, I would have to stop the damage. It would have been
Move your
me.
20 feet before doing what sometimes they don't move where it looks. So, even though your longbow is 150 foot range, which looks like that, right? Hunter's Mark, it only has a range up to there, right? So in order to cast it on a creature, you have to be within
There's a
that
fact.
far.
Draw.
She moves 20 feet diagonally, you know, but not
Why not?
Definitely. But the problem is that this one is far more than
That's what you messed up. Because I'll draw my first card. My trap cards.
Instant dead.
A1.
Try. You can move up. You can move up. You have 20 feet of movement. You can go 4 squares to your
Exactly.
No, I
Now you
could
can
just
pass
on
on
this string.
and then shoot if you want.
And on my turn, I'll
Yeah.
play-
Oh,
Oops.
yeah.
Eh, we're bad players. It's fine. We're not good at this game. Well, I mean, if that's a final, then jumps into that.
I've seen 2 out of, I think there's 3.
Yeah, well, it can always be the last one.
The target gets taken.
I will pass my turn.
I'm on 3 on this one as well. I've only seen 2 as well.
16, roll a 1d4.
Both
Yeah,
have
well,
finals in the last
will
one.
barely hit.
People at the One Piece tournaments, they used to double ship play like that. You would get $100.
It's the one that is your nightmare at night during battle.
Honestly, though, why not?
I can tell you why not.
4K
on
attack
all.
Block here. 2K. You're
I went down like a dog.
You have double
But she doesn't play cards or go public places, so she robbed me of
That's true. Okay, let's see. So we'll go Genji.
Plus your deck.
Genius.
Okay, 6 plus a number.
Did double push though, and then
Creature
5.
enters like a top 4 cards of your library. You
blow up.
may reveal an artifact or roll one more and put it in your hand. Or put the rest.
I don't have enough energy to play this card.
Bottom of the list.
Ah.
And you get to do that
We're
again.
doing good. We're doing good things here.
Extra attack.
Okay, yeah, I'll go 4K damage to.
The arcane signet.
No impact. There's no impact.
Add 1 mana of any color in your commander's identity.
Okay.
Here.
And
Get another attack.
So I still block the same.
I think that just finishes.
now you just push.
We're gonna do this with
The cooler way.
Probably this year. Yeah.
We're gonna do this.
I was gonna say, I was actually surprised that's something. SpongeBob, Avatar, Ninja Turtle.
Really has to flex on you for the camera, you know. Here. Well, it's just in case that's a final. It's playing a smart over
Could be.
tunnel vision.
The Minecraft movie, not Minecraft. Yeah, Minecraft movie. X. Would be fully stopped on myself. Nobody would. Wait, Jason.
Push the 15. Ping 2, raise your effect. Eris effect, pay 1. Draw. Really play Eris effect, right Eris. Activate main, set to active. She is played by an effect at the end of her battle. I can switch positions with my energy line. She's also 4K impact as well.
Hey, it's really
4K
you.
impact.
Final.
Is it?
Shot this.
What's
Wait.
the final? Sick.
Wait.
Swap.
As you say that,
15.
what is the young girl's career?
On attack,
Pure
5,000,
sane.
4K.
Radiant fireball?
She is.
Well, you did it for iron.
35.
Yeah, she's only
Anyway.
Yeah, that was the wrong Eris. I thought it was 10 and 4K.
Oh, I thought it was. I thought it was.
Dude,
I
I
about just like walked away.
Oh my gosh.
Not a final.